Welcome to Hydrocrackers. So as the name implies, we're going to be still cracking units via hydrogen gas. Now I decided to separate this from hydrotreatment because hydrotreatment is much novel let's say arrangement. So we are removing small amounts of sulfur, nitrogen and metals. But hydrocracking is literally the crack of the molecule in order to produce better materials and much more clean materials. So in this specific case, we're going to see that sometimes we crack material to remove the sulfur and nitrogen content, and it's also a very important aspect of the refinery, even though you will see it in different let's say lectures, just as hydrotreatment or crackers, but I like to separate them so you understand hydrotreatment is mild chemistry and hydrocracker requires much more extreme temperatures and pressures.